Alright. So as you're getting everything back together, make sure you put these 2 bolts right here. Removal and installation. You got 7 bolts. You got one back here, 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 here. So it's 7 bolts. Remove these 2, and just push it back. Make sure to hook up your lines. Right here, your PVCs. This one too. Put these little bracket bolts back in. Put your wire with the retainers back into place. So now, I only had 1 bolt from the start, but put it back on there anyway. This is the front support bracket. Comes down here. Now I'll take the throttle body off because it's easier. You don't have to. But man, that's the 2 bolts down there for it. And that's about it. And I'll make sure there's torque specs and stuff like that. The sequence for this. It starts with 1, then 2, then 3, and 4. Or it actually goes, scratch that, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And that's the sequence. And it's 8 newton meters. So that's it. I'll stick this tube on right here, stick the engine cover back on, and it's done.